Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is the second day in Goa. So let's have a look which are the places that we have visited. Since our journey was extremely tiring, 8 to 9 hours of road trip, you would have seen the video which I have uploaded, Pune to Goa road trip. If not, I will certainly link it down in the description box. We have started our journey from Varka to Verna. In Verna, we have figured out a small joint called Mom's Recipe. We are heading there for a lunch. The distance from where we are staying to this place is hardly 20-22 kilometers, which we have covered in 45 minutes from Varka to Verna. Okay, let's have a look. How does this place look like? We easily got parking over here. And these are the thalis that we have ordered. We have ordered 3 to 4 thalis. 2 we have ordered fish thalis. This is the fish thali that we have ordered. Lots of food for us to consume. And this is the chicken thali that we have ordered. The chicken was so nice that we had to repeat the chicken. The best part is they were able to provide us one small bowl of chicken also. And after chicken thali, we wanted to explore the veg food too. So we have ordered one veg thali. The food was really nice. It did extremely justice to the price. The price was within 200 rupees to 210 rupees per thali. After such a delicious food, the walk was required. So we thought of going ahead directly to the beach and not to the hotel. This is a backside entry of the beach. Okay, follow me. Let's see where does this place take us to. This is the backside entry of the Blue Corner restaurant that we are planning to spend our evening time over here. The pictures were looking very nice. It says it is bank on the beach, so we thought of exploring this. We figured out some small huts here. Very looks like tent to me. We checked the prices. It was between 3,000 to 5,000 rupees, and there were so many people staying over here. This is directly taking us to the beach as mentioned on the website that I was checking. I am sure the sunset is going to make our evening more beautiful. Let's see how does this place look. It is as a regular shack is. The best part is it is open, not covered. Okay, come, let's witness the sunset. I really love this white sand. I'm going to have a very peaceful evening, which I am very sure of, with my entire family. How beautiful this place is. I am definitely loving spending an evening over here. Just waiting for the sunset. Yes, this is what I was looking forward for. I am sure you guys are definitely enjoying witnessing the sunset, the beautiful sunset with me. I tried to click a video in the night mode. I am not sure it has done good justice to it, but I definitely had the best of my time over here. Let's see what's the menu over here. Oh yes, ordering pizza is a must when you have a kid along. But believe me, the pizza was too good. Let's look at her expression. Yes, we cannot eat the vegetables. So we ordered some pizza, some tandoori aloo, and there was something called as honey potato. I think this is the one. We ordered pancake. Fish is a must. A pomfret fry. Noodles again for the kid. This is the best. The lemon cheese cake. Few pictures witnessing the sunset and enjoying the evening. Thanks for staying connected with us. If you have liked our video, please subscribe to our channel. Please like, share, subscribe and do comment on the video. Thanks for staying connected with us.